Hey, that looks strange. It's like wobbly grass, and it's in a hole. Look at those little birds tippy-toeing on the funny grass. That looks like a lot of fun. They've got very bendy legs. It is grass, isn't it? It must be. Those birds are walking on it. Stay there, little birds. I'm coming to play. Here goes. Another jump to practice. Ha! Ew! Water! It looks nothing like water. Uh-oh! There's a big hippopotamus over there. I don't think he wanted me to jump in his bath. Is he still behind me? Is someone looking out? Oh, quick! Get me out of here. Oh, just a bit more. Somebody help me. Oh, please. Oh. I can't believe I'm soaking wet again. Twice in one day. Why is it always me?
Poor Carly. His mama thinks he's had enough of an adventure for one day. It's time for them all to head home. But they have to go back the same way they came, which means Carly will have to jump the stream one more time.